Creating an email list in GetResponse is essential for organizing and sending targeted emails to your subscribers. Here's how to do it. Log into GetResponse. Visit the GetResponse login page and enter your login credentials. Access the Context section. Once logged in, click on the Context tab in the top menu. Create a new list. On the Context page, click on Create List. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your new list. Choose a name that helps you easily identify this list later. Customize list settings. You can add a description to your list and set up a default from email address that will appear when sending emails to this list. Set the subscription confirmation message for subscribers. Import contacts. You can manually add contacts or import them from a CSV file. To do this, click on Import Contacts and follow the prompts to upload your contact list. Save and manage the list. After setting everything up, click Save. Your email list is now ready for you to add contacts, create campaigns, and send targeted emails.